What's going on, everybody? Hey, who's that guy from that one movie that likes gold? Goldfinger. Most people have an infatuation with gold, especially Goldfinger. But today we're gonna take a look at this badass Tesla. We finished wrapping up in a rose gold chrome made by Avery Dennison. One of their brand new swatches just came out recently. And like most chromes, it's always a more difficult install to put down. But the end result is absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna have Cam walk through a little bit about the install today on how we put the film down on the car and some of the more details. But check this out, you're in for a surprise.
All right, so on the front end, I did a lot of little details on here. We'll start from the T. We painted the T in gloss black, and then I hand cut the Tesla logo all along the edges. Down on these chrome pieces, we did a gloss black chrome delete on here. So all of the chrome in this car is now gloss black, but I wanted to add a little stroke of rose gold along these. So the faces of all of these are done in rose gold. We also have the center stripe. This was to cover up a seam because chrome material is only 54 inches now. And the hood's wider than any dimension we can get. So what we have to do is end up seaming this. So we did a gloss black stripe with a satin rose gold over it to give it a nice offset. I like to do these when we do chrome deletes as well. We take and cut out gloss black Tesla logos and actually place them over the original embossed logo on the side markers. That's about it for our little details we did.
Well, Cameron just wrapped that up for you guys on more of the technical side of the installs. We're also gonna add some HRE custom wheels on this car, face them in a rose gold chrome. You guys will see that a little bit later. And we finished it off in the rear with a RW carbon fiber wing to go ahead and add a little bit of flair and time with some of the gloss black chrome delete that's on the car. And at the very end, we coated it all with a ceramic coating to protect her investment of making this car as beautiful as it is with rose gold chrome. But stick around. Henry's gonna go take some more video of this vehicle, and you guys are gonna see a little bit more wider span shots so you get a better idea what this thing looks like from a better distance. Cool?